So on this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Chicago Electric 10 amp deep cut variable speed bandsaw. The item number on this is 62800. Now, when I was cutting metal with this thing, the blade, or the back part of the blade here, was actually rubbing on the guard that's located at the back of the machine. The blade's rubbing on there and it's kind of eating at the blade. It doesn't actually track right on the wheels, and there's a lot of play. As I was using it tonight, I also noticed that there was some really bad grinding sounds here on this gearbox. In the case with bandsaws from Harbor Freight, I've never had any good luck. I actually got one that was dead out of the box. If anybody out there plans to get one, make sure that you actually get the warranty. But anyways, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.